Hey there video creators, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into how to add text, backgrounds and transitions to your videos. Whether you're a beginner or looking to sharpen up your editing skills, this tutorial is for you. Let's get started. First go ahead and click on the titles tab up here. So this is titles, and let's explore some of these title options. Titles are essentially the text overlays you see in movies and videos. You can add text in various ways, but there are some free previews that I love to use. To preview a title, just click on the box and hit the spacebar. The preview window will show you exactly how the text will look. As you can see, it auto-plays itself. If you like what you see, drag it down onto your timeline window. Then double click on the text area and type your text, and voila. It shows up exactly as it would in your video. For instance, if you want more text, just type it in. This title is 4 seconds long, but you can adjust the duration and settings to fit your needs. You can drag it shorter, drag it longer. And if you don't need the title anymore, simply highlight it with your mouse. It turns yellow, and hit the delete key and it's gone. Here's a title that places text at the bottom of your screen. Perfect for a video screen captures where you don't want the text in the middle. There are also titles that expand, ones with bold animations or more. Just hover your mouse over these to preview. Or click on the box and hit the spacebar. It's really cool how these animations works. One of my favorites is the boogie lights one. So we'll drag this down and we'll edit it. So we'll click to here and we'll play High Team. But remember, it might not fit every project. To use these titles, click and drag them to your video. It's simple. Just let's move on to backgrounds. Backgrounds can really make your videos pop, especially if using a green screen. Click on a background, so we'll delete this. Click on a background and we will drag it onto the timeline. And click play. So you can see up here there's a route, so you can select San Francisco and we can choose a city to take it. So let's go Chicago. So we'll click Chicago and go done. So go back to the timeline and we'll click play. Now it shows you the route. It's from Chicago, from San Francisco to Chicago. There is also a feature that you can use that crops what's called the Ken Burns effect. You can see here it's got these bars. So what we're going to do is we're going to bring that in like that. And this is just a cool little effect. So we're just going to click play and it'll zoom in real quick. You can see there. So next, let's talk about transitions. Transitions help you smoothly switch from one clip to another. So what we'll do is we'll click on transitions and you can see the list here. So what we can do is we can go back to the media. We can edit you can see transitions here. Fade to black, fade to white, spin in, spin out, circles, spot one, mosaic, swat left, swat right, a puzzle. There's also these ones here. And what we do is we go to our media, we'll drag in another clip, then we'll go back to transitions, and we will add in this here. So now we're going to click play, and you've got our transition into this video here. Transitions are a nice way to enhance your video flow. Before we wrap out, let's talk about some additional editing features. So if you double click on the clip and explore some options, there's like color balance, so color correction, color balance, color correction, there's cropping, there's stabilization, there's volume adjustment, noise reduction and equalizer, there's speed, clip filter and audio effects, and that's clip information. So we can clip match color. This is color correction, where you can adjust the color just to give it a bit more effects. This is more of a black and white into a bright vibrant color. See that back there. This is another effect. This is the cropping. You can this is selected as fit. You can crop to fill. And there's the Ken Burns we looked at before, so you could there. That gives you that effect. This is stabilization for shaky videos. You can set your stabilization, your volume. You can see it here, it's 100%. So you can also change it down here as well. You can see it changing, but up here is more precise. So put that back at 100. Reduce background noise. You can reduce the background noise. And this is the speed of the clip. So if you can make it fast. If you can see down here, if a speed has been changed, it's got this little tortoise icon down here. You can see that it's gone fast. This is clip filter and audio effects. That's clip information. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more video editing tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.